What's going on YouTube? It's your boy here again, Nazi with
Easy.
And today we are going to be reacting to Stray Kids Thunderous MV. Now, I have seen this music video, of course, because this channel is very new and the reactions are new. And this video's been out for like about 2 years now, so it's been out for a while. He hasn't seen it yet, so it's just his first time seeing it, and we're gonna react to it for you guys. Now, yesterday we had our first Stray Kids reaction, and I already know based off of this that a lot of their choreography is like really heat, and they got the moves. So this one should be interesting. So let's get right into the video, guys. Stray Kids Thunderous.
자리는 내가 참 더 태도는 폭포하게 되기를 폭주하는 기관총 몰아친 허리케인이 뒤집어진 우산 잔소리꾼의 최후가 우리 좋구나 나무꾼은 어서 돌아가시오 여긴 나무랄 데가 없네 납작해질 리 없는 콧대와 핏대와 함께 세운 집대 훨씬 더 웅장하게 되는 경적 소리
No Thunderstrokes in the back. Not Thunderstrokes, Thunderstrokes.
The temptations are so clean.
Is it an animation?
Yeah, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty.
You picked that transition?
Yes.
That was in the book.
That was good.
Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you tick tick tick? I don't ban you. 얼레리 걸레리 멋있는 척들이 양진. 발끝 조차도 따라오지 못해 여기는 팬들. 들어봐. 질투가 정말 저기로 지워놓고 버려. 기득함 악당들이
Tough match cut.
This fucking was good. That was
And I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. 군들이 왔어요. 군들이 왔어요. 날이면 날마다 오늘 날이 아닌 오늘 소리꾼들이 왔어요. 원래 삐딱해 소리는 일단 백 맘에 안 들면 들 때까지 말 대답해. Final warning 당장 back up.
You keep the forces.
Sorry, I'm dirty.
bro. That was it?
Mm-hmm. What do you think?
Man. Now, yesterday, I saw how like they're really good dancers, but now they're watching like an MV. I was like, yo, the transitions. Whoever directed this music video, you working for your money for sure. That was clean, bro. The transitions were my favorite one was the eagle one. Like wherever bro, his hand in the air and the eagle came down and it switched to like a whole different set. I was like, this is fire. The whole aspect of it's almost like they're kind of like outcasts. That was like the idea it gave me in the end, almost. But man, that was something slight,
Oh yeah.
gas.
Like you said, the transitions and like the match cuts that they had. Also, I don't know if that was rotoscope or not. I mean, they could have just done that from scratch. But when it like transitioned, and there was like a cloud of like blue and black smoke. Yeah, I don't know if that was rotoscope or not, but I thought that was cool. And then when the guy was in the book when he closed it, and that was also cool because it was like it happened so fast, and then you could miss it if you weren't paying attention, but that was cool. What,
bro?
What
How
was
many
that?
more Stray Kids videos y'all trying to see, man? Because I'm trying to watch all of them. To be honest.
Bro, honestly, we can do Maniac next. I think Maniac would be pretty good. Cause that if you think that this music video was like really well edited and stuff, you're really going like Maniac.
This was last year, which is crazy. To me,
Not like
bro.
2 years ago.
Oh, that's true. Cause this is 2021, right?
Yeah.
Dang, that's crazy, bro. Yeah, this was gas.
Indeed.
Also, I would just say real quick, thank y'all for the love in the last couple videos.
For sure.
We saw it this morning, and it was crazy, man. Keep it coming. We're gonna try to be as consistent as possible. He will, cause this is his channel. I'm just here. But, obviously, like we said in the beginning, if he's not here, or I'm not here, he'll carry the burden until I get back. So,
well, honestly, it's not really a burden. This is fun. So.
yeah.
But yeah, we love you guys. Thank you for the support, like he said.
Yes,
And we're gonna keep
Peace.
getting these videos out. Peace,
Love,
and
and
unity.
Yes.
All right, guys. Y'all take it easy. Remember to like, sub, turn on the noties, because I do upload regularly. And I'll see y'all next one. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Peace.